What's up, coders? Ready to build something awesome today? We are going to build the following app over several parts. First, we will build the project structure, so we will create the folders index.html, style CSS and script.js. Next, we will add content to the index.html file. Then we will link the style CSS and script.js file. We start the project to see the changes we will make along the way. In the index.html file, we will add a container with the class container. Within this container, in turn, we will add the application title, another container with the class code box, in which we will have a paragraph where the code will be located, and a span where we will have the author's name for the code. Below, in the main container, we will create a button with the ID new code btn. So, we are already finished with the index.html file. In the next video, we will work in the style CSS file. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave a comment below this video.